Asking us for Canyon City land, land in El Paso County, Colorado, Front Range. I'm sorry, the Western Slope, not the Front Range, and Southern Nevada right now. That's what my land specialist in the other room, Helen, just told me. So I didn't even know that. So we try and go where the demand's going, but we're also collecting those people's email and their phone number for when we do get that land. So we have two goals. You know, one is to sell them land, obviously. The second goal is to get their name, their phone number, and their email address so we can stay in front of them and show them our deals, like the deal of the week. Like, hey, today's deal of the week is 1 acre in Holbrook, $199 down, $50 a month, whatever. And you know, and you kind of educate those people, let them know, like, and trust you, basically, because if they're always seeing John Shank or Lonnie Smith or Mark Hill, eventually you're going to find that piece of land that they're looking for.